Eleven needs complete silence in order to contact Will.
Will?
I was like, you even floss, bro?
These messages from Will have been found all over Scaife, but no one knows what they mean. I think Will's trying to tell us something.
How to do a physical exam?
Maybe we need to diagnose the monster to save Will.
Guys, I think I saw Will on the 5th floor. Oh, this is new.
Did you guys even know this was here?
I didn't.